DJ, and this week's video on Student Video 68 is Minecraft Hunger Games with my cousin, Made Big Ever, but his name in here, oh, I don't get the same things. So here's Jude Steven. Oh, here is it?
Hey guys, I'm a mid.
Hey.
Sorry for the guys.
So Jude Steven is my cousin, but
someone had it too.
But in YouTube channel, his name is Made Big Ever Galvan.
No, it's not.
Please. Hey, help me.
Why?
Oh, there's a people in there.
Okay, let's go in here.
Where? So Steve is I think it's a VIP. Oh my gosh, he's killing me. Okay. Okay. Where are you? I can't see you.
Okay. I'm here in the. I will give to you my leather helmet.
Oh my gosh, a VIP is coming to me and.
Okay, it's a bunyan. Oh, help me!
Oh my gosh, me too. I don't have food and I don't have things. Oh no! Just follow me, okay?
Just oh shit! Oh shit! Holy shit! Oh, gonna die!
Okay, I have some things.
Thanks.
In the water.
I will give to you my leather helmet.
In the water. There's a. There's following you. Come on, faster, okay, faster. Oh yay! Boom, bonus.
You're gonna open the chest and you're gonna die. You're gonna die.
Okay, good. Fine.
Oh, kill me! Kill this guy! Let's kill it.
Faster!
They are teaming.
Oh my god.
No, you
Jude Steven. I have food in here. 2 food. Come on. Okay, good. You go in there. Oh no. Faster!
I'm gonna die. Yeah, I have 2 hearts left.
Okay, I have food in here. Oh, is it coming? It's following us. There's someone here, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Just say hi. You have food?
Yes. I will eat 1 food because I have 2 food.
Go.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you my leather helmet, my leather cup. Come on.
Oh my god, what I can see?
I'm gonna die. Yeah, I'm dying.
What? Oh, okay. It is so close because I'm. So
Died.
okay, I'm dead. Okay. So thanks guys for watching this a little video of Minecraft Hunger Games with Jude Steven or maybe Gamer. Okay, bye.